Welcome to Braylen AV. Today, we'll talk a little about Millionaire Advice. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Being a millionaire won't happen overnight, but it's totally possible with effort and willpower. Keep in mind that there are a number of millionaire lessons you may learn from. If this is your goal, learning and maintaining the techniques and procedures necessary to produce wealth should be your main priority. Number 1, apply basic math to start. You may have grand aspirations of having millions in the bank, but if you ever hope to make those aspirations come true, you'll need a strategy. A good strategy should address factors other than your budget. Your investments, insurance, taxes, education, and retirement should also be taken into account. You'll begin accumulating money the earlier you begin creating a wealth-building strategy. The best way to get there is inch closer and closer to your ultimate objective, by making a focused effort over a set period of time. Decide on a specific level of wealth and financial independence you wish to accomplish. Keep track of the length of time it will take you to attain it. Now that you have this goal, be prepared to put in the hard work and effort. Find out what kind of product or service you can sell that will enable you to achieve your goals. Breaking down goals allows you to start seeing what it takes to achieve them. Please don't ignore this crucial step. It's hard to succeed without a solid plan in place. Number 2, make your cash work for you. Investing in equities for compound interest, or maintaining your assets in high-interest bank accounts, are the simplest ways to make passive income. Real estate investing, which may be active or passive income depending on your technique, is credited by many millionaires with their success. Number 3, invest in things that are practical for you. To begin investing, you don't need a lot of capital. The stock market is a popular option for investing your money. Number 4, avoid putting all of your funds into one venture. Owning a variety of investments reduces risk and will make the journey more comfortable. You can also achieve your $1 million target by reducing wasteful expenditures and consulting a financial expert. Consider improving your professional abilities or taking on a side hustle. Number 5, launch your own company. Millionaires are primarily business owners. If you work hard, and with the right mindset, anyone can achieve wealth. One benefit of starting your own business is that there is no maximum income restriction, which helps to establish a millionaire income. Number 6, work hard. You notice results more quickly the more effort you put in. Most millionaires wake up early every day, and work all night, to perform the necessary tasks that makes them $1 million each year. This obviously takes discipline and hard work. Simply said, success requires a lot of work, effort, and the determination to persist. Number 7, sell your company and keep doing it. Every company needs to have an exit strategy. The time to make money is when the business is at its strongest. When a company is at its most lucrative, many business owners will sell since they know they'll receive the highest price for it. Businesses that are highly profitable are in high demand from investors and consumers. In this manner, when they buy it, investors can instantly dive in and start making money. If potential buyers believe the company has room to develop, they are frequently ready to pay a price over market value. Number 8, invest in real estate. Real estate is typically owned by millionaires because it's a terrific method to amass riches. It's sometimes used as leverage, and is a physical asset that increases in value over time. Renting out a property allows you to gain money over time as the value of the property increases. Although there are various methods to accumulate wealth, real estate may be one of the most straightforward. This list will help you take steps to becoming a millionaire. With millions in the bank, you'll be able to achieve the level of financial stability you deserve. But you need to do more than simply adhering to a set of rules. A major step toward financial success is developing sound financial practices. Only lack of planning, and a negative attitude toward your aspirations and objectives, can prevent you from reaching your wealth goals. We hope you received value. Please watch these next 2 videos for even more value.